North Las Vegas Tower, Skycatcher 60507, holding short of 30 left on kilo.
Skycatcher 60507 North Las Vegas Tower, runway 30 left, clear for takeoff, make right close traffic, runway 30 right.
30 left, clear for takeoff, make right traffic for 30 right, 507. Tower, would check.
Wind 31013, gust C2.
Tower 0 November is ready at the end.
Cessna 20 November, runway 30 right, clear for takeoff.
30 right, clear for takeoff, 20 November.
Skycatcher 507, you're number 2 to follow Cessna on a right crosswind turn, runway 30 right, clear for the option.
Number 2 to follow, Cessna on turning to downwind right now for 30 right, 507.
Cessna 20 Sierra, number 1 runway 30 right, clear for the option.
30 right, clear for the option, 20 Sierra.
Vegas Tower, IMO 50 is BLM pad for Zulu flow departure crossing the approach into 07.
IMO 50 North Las Vegas Tower, paying attention?
Roger, requesting a Zulu flow departure, be crossing the departure approach end of 07 with Delta.
IMO 50 Roger, and are you going westbound? You're going down for a strip tour?
Going for a strip tour, ma'am, thank you.
IMO 50 departure from the BLM ramp will be at your own risk.
M50.
Yes.
Cessna 20 November, you're number 3 to follow Cessna, departure on right downwind, runway 30 right, clear for the option.
We've got traffic and we're going to make right turn 20 November.
Cessna 20 November, number 3, runway 30 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 20 November. On 30 right.
Wind 31013, gust 21.
$500.
IMO 50, contact Las Vegas Tower.
M50.
Tower, Skycatcher 60507, am I clear for line?
Skycatcher 507, affirmative, clear for the option, 30 right.
Thank you. Clear for the option, 30 right, 507.
Skycatcher 507, just verified, 30 right.
That's affirmed, 30 right for 507.
Cessna 20 Sierra, runway 30 right, taxi via Delta.
30 right, taxi via Delta, 20 Sierra.
North Las Vegas Tower, Piper 7812 November, holding short at Kilo 430 left for departure of a practice area.
Skycatcher 507, no delay, traffic short final.
On the way, 507.
Cherokee 7812 November, North Las Vegas, runway 30 left, clear for takeoff, left turn towards Long Mountain.
30 left, clear for takeoff. 7812 November, left to Lone Mountain.
Tower, this will be a full stop terminate for Skycatcher 60507.
Skycatcher 507, roger. Begin left crosswind turn for runway 30 left now.
I'm sorry, that's broken. Can you reset that again, please?
Skycatcher 507, begin a left crosswind turn for runway 30 left now.
Roger, left crosswind for 30 left, 507.
Skycatcher 507, runway 30 left, clear to land.
Runway 30 left, clear to land, 507.
Cessna 20 November, runway 30 right, taxi via Hotel Delta.
30 right, via Hotel Delta, 20 November. I got you, Alan.
Wind 32015, gust 23. Cessna 20 Sierra, runway 30 right, clear for takeoff.
30 right, clear for takeoff, 20 Sierra.
Obstacle, obstacle, pull up, pull up. Obstacle ahead, pull up. $500.
Wind 330 at 10, gust 23.
Tower 20 November is ready at the end.
Cessna 20 November, runway 30 right, clear for takeoff.
30 right, clear for takeoff, right close traffic, 20 November.
Cessna 20 Sierra, runway 30 right, clear for the option.
30 right, clear for the option, 20 Sierra.
Cherokee 12 November, frequency change approved.
Okay, thank you. Frequency change approved 7812 November.
Skycatcher 507, left turn, taxiway Charlie, continue on to the right.
Left turn on Charlie, we'll continue to the right. Skycatcher 60507.